Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making like a baked ziti, but I'm using penne pasta because I'm gluten free, and I'm going to use brown rice pasta. This one is from Trader Joe's. I've used it before. I absolutely love it. And I'm going to use the Genio ground turkey to make it a little bit more healthy, but it's still going to be absolutely delicious. I've already put water, chicken broth, and salt in a pot. I'm going to bring this to a boil for the noodles, and then I'm going to get started on the meat. Go ahead, if you guys like content like this, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Go ahead and like, and definitely comment and let me know what you guys think. So one of the things I want to do is show you guys more gluten-free meals to show you that it is easy once you get the hang of it to still eat the things that you love. So we're gonna do baked ziti with a little bit of the penne pasta. So stay tuned. While the pasta water is boiling to the left, I'm gonna season my turkey on the right. Season generously for sure. This is garlic powder. Put a whole bunch of that. Do not be stingy. I put salt already, so I'm not gonna put more. I forgot to get that on camera. Sorry, y'all. And then black pepper. I'm gonna put some slap your mama. And then I'm gonna get some other seasonings out, and I'm gonna show y'all what else I do. I'm also gonna add some browning to it. Turkey is super light, and I like a little color on my meat. So I just like it to give a little pizzazz, and then I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so I have put a whole bunch of seasoning. I'm a person who, when I cook, I need to be off camera because I don't like my stuff to burn or whatever, just because I'm trying to get content or something. So I'm going to put the brown in now. I had added some onion powder, some all-purpose seasoning, blackened seasoning, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly what the browning do in a second, because it's just hard for me to eat it without it. Like, it's like it tricks your mind a little bit. This is a unnecessary step, but a necessary step for me. Okay, if you did this, your kids wouldn't even know the difference, because now it's starting to come together and look like, you know, regular taco meat. Like, once it gets all incorporated, all the pieces. And I don't like to put too much, but a good amount. And what I'm starting to see for my pasta, I might need to add another pack, or at least half a pack, for as much meat as I'm making. So, but you see, now it's looking a little bit more like taco meat, like, you know, like regular beef. So that's better for me. Also, you can always add paprika or something different, but I love browning, so that'll do it for me. So in the pot, I added some onions, some peppers, some garlic, and rotel tomatoes in there, and I'm gonna season it up with like salt, pepper, garlic, so it tastes really good when it's in the sauce. So that's what you'll see me doing right here. Like I said, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, whatever you would like to use, just to give the veggies some flavor. So right here, I'm stirring up my sauce, my pasta sauce. I've used tomato, and then I use like a vodka sauce mix, and I put a little bit more heavy whipping cream. This is the Trader Joe's organic vodka sauce. It's very, very good. And then I also used a can of crushed tomatoes, and I mixed that because I like to kind of have my own sauce and not one like straight out the can. And then I seasoned that as well. So pretty much similar seasonings, basil, oregano, and stuff like that. And then I've assembled the pasta to get ready for bacon. I mix everything all together, and I have this huge bag of mozzarella. I'm gonna put that all over the top. I like it cheesy. If you don't like it cheesy, don't put that much cheese. And then I'm gonna put some parsley over the cheese just so it comes out, you know, kind of cute. So I put it on 400 and I spread all the cheese over it, and I put that parsley, and I'm gonna leave it in there for like 30 to 45 minutes, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks when it comes out. And here it goes. So I'm gonna plate it, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. And if you want to see more videos like this, definitely let me know in the comments. Please like and comment, and thanks so much for watching.